Today I want to talk about the Columbia Tactical set. For the first time that I know of, a set that ships in a case to your door or to your dealer, whichever way you purchase it. I want to go over the contents of the case and the utility of the case, and I think it's a great innovation for somebody who's buying a set for the first time or adding sets to their fleet. Okay, so you've received your set. I want to tell you what's inside the tactical set box that you've purchased. Starting from the left here, we've got a Tomalock handle, which is a cam-locked box handle, which screws into the extendable handle or the regular handle to mount to your Tomahawk blades that you're receiving in this kit. This is the 7-inch for wiping down tape. This is the 24-inch for utility or butt joints. So that's what that's for. Then you're getting your standard 10-inch flat box, your 12-inch flat box, your automatic taper, as mentioned, a 7-inch Tomahawk, a 24-inch Tomahawk, mud pump, box filler, gooseneck, 8-inch throttle box, 3-inch nail spotter, 3-inch Anglehead, corner roller, it's right down in here, I'll pull it out. And then we'll go over the handles. We've got a twist lock here, we've got a regular Columbia one here, we've got a drop down extendable Columbia one here, and we've got a matrix extendable box handle here. Then we've got some replacement parts. We've got your, this is not a replacement part, this is your Anglehead ball you screw into either one of these three handles to use your Anglehead. We've got an Anglehead repair kit, we've got a taper repair kit, box shoe repair kit, and box blades for both of your flat boxes. So you're good to go for a long time with this kit. If you're working remotely, or if you just somebody who does their own maintenance and wants to have parts on hand. There's also a sander in here, a Columbia pole sander, which is something we wanted to add. So we feel, you know, it's everything but the mud and mixing paddle to tape a house. A lot of people have asked us for this. We've finally done it. We're really happy to offer it. It's a regular Columbia taper in here. It's not the Predator, but it's a beautiful taper nonetheless. And the case is really nice. It has wheels on it. It's made out of a durable material. You can wash your tools in the case, wash them before you put them in the case. It comes to your showroom of your dealer or to your door, shipped just like this, packed in bubble wrap. And I think it's going to be quite a nice thing to open when you get it. Thank you.